Next, ninth question. The following information relates to contract number 125. You are required to prepare a contract account and contractee account assuming that the amount due from the contractee was duly received. Okay, so what information he has here when you see direct materials 20,250, direct wages 15,500. So direct materials where we have to take my debit side, direct wages debit side, stores issued debit side, loose tools 2,400 debit side. Next, tractor expenses. Under tractor expenses, running material he has given, wages of drivers he has given. Okay, other indirect expenses 2,650. Next, see the information. The contract price was 90,000 and the contract took how many weeks? 13 weeks for its completion. The value of loose tools and stores returned at the end of the period were 200 and 3,000 respectively. So at the end of the period, actually here once you observe this, contract is price is 90,000 and for completing that contract how many weeks they have taken? 13 weeks. In 13 weeks they have completed the contract. So finally the leftover loose tools and stores returned for how much? Loose tools value is 200 and stores returned is how much? 3,000 respectively. The plant was also returned to a value of 16,000 after charging depreciation at 20%. So once you see this point, it is very important here. So what he has given means the plant was also returned to a value of 16,000 after charging depreciation at 20%. That point he has mentioned. Once you see the plant was also returned to a value of 16,000 after charging depreciation at 20%. So first of all, in this question, opening plant value he has given? No, opening plant value has not given, but here he has given a hint to us. What is that hint? The plant was returned, nothing but returning closing plant value he has given. Closing plant value is how much here? 16,000 after charging depreciation 20%, nothing but after charging depreciation. Nothing but after deducting this depreciation, the closing plant value is 16,000. Means what we have to find here? Here we have to find the opening plant value. Okay. Next, the value of tractor was 20,000. So here tractor value directly has given 20,000 and the depreciation was to be charged to the contractor at 15% per annum on cost. So tractor 20,000 he has given. On that directly what we have to do? We have to calculate the 15%. Directly what we have to do? We have to calculate the 15%. But here what he has given? Per annum he has given. But here the contract is not per annum. How many weeks it is? 13 weeks. How many weeks? 13 weeks. For 13 weeks we have to calculate the depreciation and we have to take. So next, the administration and office expenses are to be provided at 10% of work cost. So administration and office expenses, which side we have to take? Debit side we have to take, but directly has not given the amount. What he has given? On work cost we have to calculate the 10%. That thing he has given. So here once you see the answer, so direct material 20,250 debit side, direct wages we have taken, stores issued directly in the question he has given, loose tools directly in the question he has given, tractor expenses also question he has given, next other direct expenses also in the question directly he has given. Now next what we have to find here? But opening plant value has not given, but closing plant value is it. So once you hear in the previous problems what I have said, opening plant we have taken debit side and the closing plant value we have taken credit side I have said. But in this question here we won't take the opening and closing, only just we will take the depreciation on plant, nothing but directly we will take the depreciation on the plant. Okay, we won't take the opening and closing. So how to calculate the depreciation on plant here? Once you see here, so first see him, depreciation on plant. Depreciation actually percentage how much he has given? 20% he has given. Closing plant value is how much here? 16,000. So for 80%, why I have taken 80% means, once you think here, if suppose the opening plant value is 100%, depreciation how much they have deducted? 20%. Then the leftover will be how much? 80%. Nothing but this 80%, nothing but the value which he has given after depreciation. So that is nothing but 8 for 80%. So here the cost value is how much? 16,000. Then for 100% how much? 16,000 into 100 divided by 80. 16,000 into 100 divided by 80. So then how much you will be getting? 20,000 will be the opening plant value. Cross multiplication ma. So once again I will explain this. So 16,000 which he has given in the question, closing value, that is for 80%. So for 80% if it is 16,000, for 100% how much? So 16,000 into 100 divided by 80. So opening plant value is how much? 20,000. And depreciation how much he has given in the question? 20% he has given. Per annum he has not given, only 20% he has given. So 20,000 into 20% is how much? 4,000. This 4,000 we have to take it here. Depreciation on plant. Next